Good morning. So we are here at the race village for the Huta Coast. And these are my team, guys. We are ready.
We're complete now. We can get our shirt na.
Yeah.
Ilan ba kailan?
5.
Saan?
Kita kami. Magdawin pa lang sila eh.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
So we're taking our
Sama muna kayo.
race kits. So pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, for the Huta Coast. It's 5 a.m. here in Alcudra and it's very cold. I think it's 14 degrees Celsius. It's very, very, very cold. Oh, may light show pa, oh.
Wow!
Baka malamig na ka-short na siya.
Wow!
Sama ka muna kayo. Kay Bilal.
Nasa ito na ba?
Nakasubscribe ata ako sa iyo.
Yes, so we're here now live here at the Huta Coast Village.
Live?
Yes, ay hindi na siya live. This recorded pala. Woo! Yes, and the rest of the 3F team.
We just meet this morning.
Happy New Year! Grabe ang lamig dito. I think the temperature right now here in Alcudra is around 14 to 15. But the rate will start around 6 a.m. So, pwede pa. But it's too cold. It's very cold. Registration. Excited?
Yeah.
We're number 9, right?
We're number 9.
Takunin natin. Good morning. Number 9, please. Number 9.
Number 9.
We're elite. Sorry. Number 9. We're elite. Number 9.
This year, achieving ko yan. Then yung team name is
3F Riders. Yes.
Nandiyan na ba?
Ito po,
And we're taking our
waiver po, waiver.
Each food ba?
5 signature.
We need to sign with...
Okay. Yalla. Happy.
one each.
One each? Sure yun. Anong...
Ay, video me.
3F. BGU.
Lima kayo, sir.
Better. Yes.
Sa'yo yung 9. Sa'yo.
T-shirt size po.
Medium.
Extra small. You do have extra small?
Is this one size lang ba?
Small, medium, large, XL.
I mean, unisex size. Extra small or wala?
Only small.
Oh, small.
Maliit yata yung ano nila.
Yung size?
Yung sakto lang yun kasi
Kung lima, sir, papirma na po. Kung hindi, papirma.
So pwede ma-check ang sizes before ano.
Ito nga, video.
nila yung
Yung small po pwede. Ay okay sa akin yung small.
Maliit.
For
Pambabay.
stretchable.
Parang suman ka. Pwede suman. Lights ako.
Ano
Patingin.
malaki?
Lights ako.
Small na lang ako.
Hala,
Lights ako. Alright.
Kaya sa
Kayo, ano kayo? Kulo light.
Ay, that's
I
my...
think pwede sa akin small.
Small.
That's my size.
Hey.
Saan lalagay sa buhol? O sa ano? So,
Saan yung ano, parang yung yung nalalagay para sa exchange ng ano, leg?
we have individual bibs.
Okay.
So you can pin it.
Unsa na? XL lagi.
Number 6 ba? Number 9?
Number 9. Yes, we're number 9.
This one we need to pass.
Okay. Parang ano, oh.
Yeah. Good morning!
Morning, good morning.
Inad ko kayo sa group chat. Paano lang yung
Hoy! Si Madam Leia. Morning, morning. So, may laser show pa, oh.
Oh my God! Has color, don't sit, ha?
Why?
Someone should stand here.
I will say.
Three people perhaps here. Huwag ka dyan lang matatakpan mo dito.
So this will be our sponsor, and we're gonna use this car today for the whole. It's called Gili de Belen.
Doon ka sa kuhan ba?
Di ang parts, wala ka na nag-part 20. Hindi naman ako. Kung pinireklamo sa ako mga parts, ilahin mo na sa gagawin na lang.
Just arrived. See?
Gili de Belen.
3F team. Good.
Gili de Belen.
So we take this car out?
Ha? Di ba? I think the car, wala kasing coast dito.
Oh, Leia.
Jumayra magugulo.
Leia, ito na.
Kaso,
Hi. Ano? Gano'n ka close?
Gano'n ka close?
Ay, sorry.
Ay, ikaw magano?
Kasi yung gagawin nila yun mula dito. Isang diretso lang, no? Sa Kalabudra. Yes. Ito kasi gusto mo tayo. Kaya yata ang ayun. Kahit pala sa ano dapat?
Ako na po ang ano. Uy, may poster kayo pala, no?
Nandun sa
Kaso bawal daw mag...
Oo, kasi bawal banner, flag.
naman siya. 3F
Ay, hindi, team naman yun. Hindi naman yun. Hindi naman political ano yun.
Hindi, pwede.
Ay, nakalagay doon, banner.
sponsor yung inaano namin.
ayun, 1 hour penalty yun.
Itanong natin kung pwede yun.
What is the penalty? What now the waiting, ha?
It's the team name naman eh, di ba?
Kaya nga. What is, nakalagay kasi doon, banner eh.
Ano naman flag ng kahit ano naman yun?
Wala man tayo political agenda dito.
Lady ka order.
So we got our shirt from our car sponsor for today, from Gili. Yes, we're using this car for the whole duration of the race. It's okay. Start line.
Conservation Zoo, Musa was all his highest will occupy to kick off the
Alright. So I just did the first leg. We turned out naligaw kami. So all the first wave did 19 kilometers instead of 6 kilometers. O, di ba? Oh my God.
Hey, you should try Papa John's. You will not get lost in the next route.
Time now. It's eating
Papa
time
John's,
now.
Uy, videoan niyo ako pag nakita niyo ako.
Of course. Ito naka to.
Pwede tayo mag-follow sa iya.
Pwede. Pwede.
Kasi anyway, dito lang naman, di ba?
Yes, 1 and 2 lang bawal.
Okay.
So, natapos ko na yung first leg, which turns out na nagkamali lahat ng mga first runners. Instead of 6 kilometers, we did 19 kilometers, baby. We did 19 kilometers. So most of the runners on the first leg, on the first wave, are complaining. Let's wait for the complaint of the local. Wait for it. You hold to host organizer.
But it's self-navigating, bro!
Then,
Anyways, ay,
Hoy, bilis naman ang problema ngayon.
third runner ready.
checking for the run road. Where is that?
Becky is
Ito, coach. Oh.
Road ka lang, road lang.
Road ka lang, coach. Road ka lang, road ka lang. Road ka lang. And then,
Go, Vicky! Oh, check in. How many kilometers you did? 5.3. 5.3. Okay.
6.3.
So we just did the first and second leg of the route. So yes, we're going to the third leg.
Third leg?
We're gonna wait for
Wait, 6
Aiden.
coach. 6
kilometers.
Okay, that's okay. Because the
6 kilometers plus 18 kilometers, 19 kilometers, 25.
Whoops!
And then, bay, pwede pa close by? Ano sakit? No.
One person. No, he's
No. Just us. Go by!
Go!
Thank you, Chili, for the sponsor!
ice will be.
Because see, it's the... Go!
Woo! Number 1, Geely!
We're waiting for our leg 3 runner, Eden.
Recover.
Recovery time!
Come.
Whoa, pizza! Pizza! Yay! Pizza! Very cold pizza!
Very cold pizza! Na-frozen ang pizza ba?
Frozen pizza! Recovery food!
Cap your legs, right?
Well done!
Sirs.
Oh.
Wala may giling word.
Wala gili ba eh?
Dapat na gili.
Oo. Kanina na, gili oh.
Gili de Belen.
Gili! Gili ka man!
Let's go! 3M! Let's go! Eating time. May pansit dyan, gusto kong kumain. Kaso naka ano na yun. Nasa bag, paper bag.
baka mapanis na, labas mo na yan, bye.
Ito may puto. Oo, sa puto. Puto.
Can you bring this one?
Pero open.
One card. I don't know where I can. I had bought more. One bag
Puto.
is missing.
Maybe in your car? Puto for
That's what I was
recovery.
searching full bag. I didn't find.
So, some of the runners are there. Saan sila galing? One runner more to go. And I will be doing the 10 kilometers.
Oh, di ko man nakain ng morten ko.
Bakit?
Tao ka? Masarap tumakbo kaysa
Mag-break, mag-lunch.
Catch up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's Leia's driving.
So we are now here in checkpoint number 8 and we are waiting for our runner. We are on our last leg. I will do the last leg, which is 9 kilometers. So yes, we're about to finish now. Let's go.
Once again!
Yeah, once
One more. On the
Yeah.
view. 1, 2, 3.
Jilly!